Hello everyone, welcome to GAN's Oracle debut tutorial. Here we will learn how to install Oracle 11G Release 2 in Windows 64-bit operating system. So you can download from the Oracle website, and the zip file you can unzip the file. So I already downloaded. So these are my downloaded files. So or Win64 11 R2. R means release 2, and that is the two files are there, file 1 and file 2. First you unzip both the files and you will get the folder, and when you get the folder, just copy the database folder from folder 2 to folder 1. So merge both the file, then go to the database folder. I already did those things. So go to the database folder, there is a setup file, right click on the setup file and run as an administrator. So it will take some time to start. So Oracle 11G database is starting. So I'm getting some error like environment does not meet minimum requirements. Are you sure want to continue? Yes. I don't want to put my email address and other things. Click on next. So here is your option. So there is three options are there. Select any of the following: create and configure database, install database software only, and upgrade an existing database. If you are going to create and configure database, so you will configure the database also. If you want to install the database software, so you can do that one also. And if you want to upgrade from the previous version, just like a 10G or 9i, then you can upgrade from there. Go to the next. So there is a two types of that: desktop class and server class. So this is I'm installing for my laptop. So I selected the desktop class. If I'm installing for the server, so we can select the server class for the production database in data center. So click on next. So here I have a Oracle base. So this is the base path where Oracle will install. So if you want to change, then you can change to other location, and software locations will be 11.2 db home 1, and this one the database file Aura data will store the database file. And database edition, you can select here from here any of the edition, but I am going to the enterprise edition. Click on that. Character set, you have two options: Unicode and this one Windows character system. So you select the first one. I'm giving the global Oracle database name, so you can put the ORCL, or as per your requirement you can put the name. And administrative password I am giving in my choice. So password and confirm password I have saved. Click on next. So here we can see the global settings and other information will be there. So disk space, how much it will require, and other software location. So all the whatever we selected, it will give you the summary of the database information. So global database name ORCL, and my SID, system identifier is the ORCL. Allocated memory is this. So and if you want to save, then you can save the response file also. So I'm clicking the finish. So my installation is started. If you want to wait, then you can wait for some time. Otherwise, you can just forward the video up to the process will complete. I'm not going to exit this video. Let this complete the video. So now we are seeing that there one pop-up is there. So Windows security alert. So it will ask you the permission for the Java. So just allow access. So now we can see that 100% is completed database installation. Now it will go to the configuration. So now it's working with the setup file. So 100% completed. Now it will move automatically move to the Oracle database configuration. So inside the Oracle database configuration, so there is a Oracle, and between that we got again the permission for the Java. So just click on the allow access. So Oracle.NET configuration assistant, and next is DBC database configuration assistant. So it called as DBC. So here we can see that first part is completed. There is a three parts in the database configuration assistant. So copying database file. Then next is creating and is starting database instance. So it will start the database Oracle database instance. And last is the completion database creation. So it will create and last database. So we will automatically move to the last part. That is the completing database creation. We are near about to complete. Yeah, now we can see that database configuration assistant successfully completed. We didn't get any error. So if we get any error, so first resolve that error, then go to the same thing. And this is a control file path. You can access this path. I'm copying this path, and the password management is there. And click on OK. So everything is completed. So your database configuration have been installed in this path. C drive app Chirag, and it's a DB path. Everything is completed successfully. Click on close. Let me check to access the database. Yeah. So I was writing the wrong command. So now you can see that we database is connected. So connected to Oracle database 11G Enterprise Edition release 11.2.0.1.0 64-bit production, and this is a partition OLAP and data mining a real application testing application. So we write a query select. Let me check the, yeah, the query is working. All the queries work. So we successfully installed the Oracle database, and we are we are able to connect with the database also. Thank you for watching.